What's going on, guys? Crypto Renegade here. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how Tezos just fixed all of DeFi's problems. Let's get into it. But before I jump into the content, I just completely revamped my website, bitcoinlockup.com. There's some really exciting stuff coming, and you can always preview my newest videos there before they hit YouTube or any other platform. There's also going to be some bonus exclusive content and giveaways coming that will not be made available anywhere else.
And here we go.
Welcome back. So in some of our last videos, we talked about some more Polka projects, Solana projects, Cosmos projects, and several NFT platforms. We are now going to dive into one of the most underrated ecosystems, in my opinion, Tezos. Today I wanted to touch on Tezos news, where it was recently announced that it has launched a new DeFi protocol called Plentify, and much more. So what is Plentify? Well, Plentify is a decentralized finance or DeFi platform on top of Tezos that has just launched and currently offers 1 farm and 6 pools where users can farm and earn Plenty tokens by staking several other tokens. Plenty DeFi is created by Tezos and DGH Labs. The Tezos team has been building on Tezos for a while now and has created a set of Tez tools, Oracle, and stake pools. Plenty DeFi has been live for a few weeks and has had a whopping 9 million in value locked in all the pools on the platform so far. So why is this worth noting? DeFi is booming on Tezos. Here's who's building on it. 2020 will go down in crypto history as the year that DeFi hit its stride, gaining over $15 billion in total value locked that year, according to DeFi Pulse. However, the growth in 2021 is proving to be even more explosive, fueled by the increasing expansion of the ecosystem beyond the boundaries of Ethereum. While the ETH2 upgrade is now underway, the pace of crypto adoption means that Ethereum's infrastructure can no longer cope with its own traffic. Therefore, users and developers are seeking faster, cheaper alternatives. Furthermore, the sustainability credentials of proof-of-work blockchains have recently been called into question once again, even before Elon Musk's comments regarding Bitcoin's energy use. Ethereum was already under fire from the climate-conscious art community, who voted with their feet after realizing the carbon cost of their NFT drops. As a result, there are now entire buzzing ecosystems of apps emerging on other established platforms, of which Tezos is a prime example. The platform, which launched on mainnet in 2018, is proving a fertile ground for DeFi projects. In blockchains, development begets development in a kind of a snowball effect. Therefore, the DeFi ecosystem on Tezos is acting as a growth engine for broader expansion on the platform, including in its burgeoning NFT markets. Tezos recently underwent its 6th major update, further optimizing gas fees and block size for low-cost transactions without compromising speed. So who's currently busy investing and building on Tezos, you may think? Well, Bender Labs recently released the Wrap protocol, allowing users to wrap their Ethereum-based tokens on the Tezos network. The project launched on the mainnet in late April and has come on to attract more than $3 million in TVL, with a peak 24-hour wrapping volume of nearly $3.6 million in mid-May. Wrapped assets include DeFi blue chips Sushi, Aave, WETH, and more. The project also established a fast-growing market for USDC and USDT, allowing users to manage their stablecoin funds with significantly lower fees. And what about the flexible token standards and the growing NFT scene? Well, DeFi apps on Tezos use the FA2 token standard, which allows multiple token types to be programmed through one single standard. A single standard is in contrast to Ethereum, which uses the ERC20 fungible token standard and ERC721 for non-fungible tokens, among other token types. On Tezos, using a single standard means that developers have a broad scope to develop complex token interactions while maintaining a standard API for wallets and other external applications. Therefore, the flexible token standard makes it seamless for Tezos tokens to move between DeFi and other applications, regardless of the type of token. This flexibility, combined with the platform's green credentials, account for Tezos' buzzing NFT markets. More on that later. One of a Tezos-based music NFT marketplace backed by Quincy Jones pulled in an impressive $63 million seed investment, including an environmental activist, Bill Tai.
Well, then who has my money?
There is no money, you son of a bitch!
The platform aims to make it easier for artists to secure their rights over digital music files using collectible NFTs. Tezos also recently managed to secure an impressive win when the Red Bull F1 racing team announced it had selected this platform to mint a range of NFT collectibles. The platform became an official blockchain partner of the Red Bull team with the logo features on the driver's attire. Because of these innovative features, I personally will be making a very exclusive NFT collection minted on Tezos with some real-world assets and real-world use cases attached. More on that coming soon. So, staking opportunities, NFT opportunities, what about DeFi lending? You can't be a real DeFi contender if you don't offer competitive yields, right? Well, Tezos is about to launch DeFi lending products with top digital bank. Equify favors Tezos for its time-tested on-chain governance, its proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, and its community of developers and innovators. For Equify, this partnership cements them as the first seamless global bridge to DeFi. So it sounds like it's just one or two platforms that are building on Tezos.
The good cop, bad cop routine?
Not exactly.
A key category for applications running on Tezos moving forward is DeFi. Of the 26 currently tracked dApps, 12 are in the DeFi and exchange categories, almost half. Some of these dApps are already performing quite well, among others are starting to gain some traction. Some examples other than Plentify includes, but is not limited to, Kuipu Swap. Kuipu Swap is basically Tezos' version of the Ethereum DEX Uniswap. It's an open source protocol that provides an interface for the exchange of Tezos-based tokens and XTZ. Liquidity providers earn from both the swap fees as well as Baker rewards. The solution is driven by principles of security, decentralization, and scalability, and serves as a standalone project and a tool for future solutions developed on the Tezos blockchain. Wrap. Through Wrap, users can issue W tokens, or wrapped tokens, which are presentations of Ethereum-based ERC20 and ERC721 tokens, but on the Tezos blockchain. W tokens can then be used on Tezos directly, and their value is pegged to those original tokens. Wrap is a decentralized protocol and has a community of Wrap governance token holders that can vote and decide on the prediction or direction of the protocol. And what about Calibri? Calibri is a Tezos-based stablecoin built on collateralized debt positions, or CDPs, which the platform has called ovens. Each oven has 4 functions: deposit and withdraw XTZ, borrow KUSD against the oven using XTZ as collateral, and repay the borrowed KUSD. Calibri uses CDPs to collateralize a soft peg USD stablecoin asset in the form of KUSD. The Calibri system will prevent users from borrowing KUSD such that an oven becomes under-collateralized, or withdrawing XTZ to cause the oven to become under-collateralized. However, the price of XTZ still fluctuates, which means an oven can become under-collateralized without any user action. At that point, a liquidation process kicks in to restore stability to the system. You need 3 key components for a thriving DeFi ecosystem: trustless trading, non-fungible asset creation, and a reliable stablecoin. Tezos just hit the trifecta and it's just getting started.